Hello everyone, today I will teach you how to make oats levain cookies. Levain, levain, call it as you like. This recipe is a healthy version of levain cookies. It's vegan and sugar free. Obviously it doesn't taste like an actual levain cookie, but if you're a die-hard fan of vegan healthy meals like me, you'll love this recipe. It's everything you want in a cookie. It's almost cake-like in the inside and it has this crunchy golden brown exterior shell. You can literally taste the nuts and chocolate in every single bite. This is simply my take on these cookies, so no judgments please. I am always open to suggestions. If you have any, feel free to share in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to tell me in your comments and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.